Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up N26 for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open the Google Play Store app on your device and then simply search for N26 in the search bar. Hit go or install on your keyboard and hit the install button right next to N26. Once the app is installed on your device, you can head over to your app drawer and then search for N26 inside your app drawer. Open the N26 app. Once you're inside the N26 app, you can tap on Open an Account to create a new account, sign up with Google, or tap on I already have an account if you already have an account. We're going to be tapping on Open an Account right now. Select your country of residence, hit Continue, accept all the privacy policies. After that, if N26 is in your region, you can follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. If you already have an account, simply tap on I already have an account, enter your email address along with your password, and then hit login to log in to N26 and set it up. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.